Here, it's recording. Don't,
It's recording already?
Yes. Don't get too close to it. Also, I still have to. I have no idea the range on this thing. I want to figure it out. It won't film for long, it will overheat. Nope. That's not supposed to happen. This thing is a ton of fun. Where's all the wires here? No wires there? Only there, eh?
Yep.
Okay, good. Love, this thing is quite something, love. But I can only fly like 2 minutes because these batteries are so shit. Alright, here we go. This is so much fun, love. Love, watch this, love. What I love about this is that you can just like let it fall out of the air, like you can do like let gravity just do its thing.
Yeah.
The Avata is so floaty. The Avata is not fun and manual. Like you can just dive down like this and then you can just let it fall. Whee! It's a lot of fun, love. It's tons of fun. Don't worry, I'll stay far away from you guys. But yeah, actually, how is my hover here?
Yeah, it's around 1 meter.
But it's not bad, right? Like I'm trying to... Now it's moving. The hovering is really not bad. It's hard with it. But everything else is kind of easy with it. Like, you touch the pole and you go up. It's just I need to be good batteries. Okay, I'm gonna make a flyby. Hold on. Oh. Alright, here we go. Wow.
Wow.
That's fun.
One more. One more. Oh yeah.
Don't want to overdo it.
Oh, what's up? Wala. Ito siguro siya, oh. Bago na naman yung sasakyan niya.
For now, most of the times when I'm braking, I can slowly like get my speed out of it. But if I have to stop fast, I just turn around. Then it will still go a little in that direction. I just gotta stay away from stuff. Almost hit that. But yeah, I gotta try find limits here. I'll do that when I'm by myself.
Whoa, it's really fast.
It's not bad. But this is kind of like I only have this battery and another battery that's good. All the other batteries are like, I'm gonna land. Yes. All right, everybody stand clear. Don't get too close to it. I'm gonna try to land it. I haven't really had a super don't get close to it because my landings are horrible. I have to try to land it.
Okay, forward, a little bit forward. Okay. Up. I said forward, not backward. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, go.
Every time when I land, it bounces like that.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Is it still? Oh shit. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Nice. It didn't overheat.